Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete transaction history in Halifax. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in halifax.co.uk. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete transaction history in Halifax. So now I'll be going you and showing you the step by step here. So first of all, you can not, of course, delete the history, unfortunately, because of the UK laws. You can manual transactions. So first step is to understand the UK laws. So legal retention and 6 years in UK, so you can see that. Then what you can do, record petition requirements, so financial audit trial, 6 years. We have complainants is key, so step 3, regulatory body rules. You can comply, of course. Option A is to filter and search views. That's what you can of course go and do, first of all. Then option B is to hide accounts and profile, hide unused accounts from the dashboard. And option C is delete saved payees. So you can do it like that, clean up the, as you can see, receptionist list, not payment history. And that's how you can do it the best and fastest way. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, to subscribe to the channel, and put on notifications, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.